Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuses and which relay to check in case you're having problems with the liftgate or the liftgate hatch. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Okay, so most of the fuses will be located in a small fuse box which is in the passenger's cabin under the steering wheel, just behind this black cover. Now to remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one here and one on the opposite side. You want to press them at the same time and just pull down. On the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's fuse number F35, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to liftgate latch. Second fuse will be fuse number F40, which is a 10 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to liftgate module. And now the last thing, the liftgate relay will be located here, just next to that fuse. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter. And now there is one more fuse in a small fuse box in the luggage compartment, just behind this cover. To pop off the cover you can use pretty much anything. Just want to get this cover off. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check here, it's fuse number F2, which is located just here, you can't miss it. The big 40 amp fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.